Hi guys, this is Jerry. Today is a quick video about the MG I will show you everything you need to know about the half digital dash. So this digital dash is available on the HS petrol variants, all the way from the Vibe, Excite and Essence, even for the full drive version if you're in New Zealand and Australia. From different markets there might be different things here and there, but yeah, this will show you how everything works, how to control these things and all that. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe and like if you find this helpful, and let's get started. Alright, this is how the half digital dash looks like from MG New Zealand and Australian version. So on the left we have the speedo, that's your old analog dial. On the right, that's your rev counter, obviously goes up, and this goes up once your speed gets up and all that things. You do have some small warning light here and there, depends on which function it's on, parking brake, the seatbelt warning, stuff like that. But today the most important part is this small digital panel. So the digital panel have 4 different screens that allows you to go left and right to change whichever you like. Basically, so the first screen is your vehicle information screen, let's call it that way. And next one we have the adaptive cruise control screen, or traffic jam assist or lane departure warning screen. Next one we have the settings screen, and the last one we have the warning screen. So I'll go through the first one first. So first screen is your traffic vehicle information screen. On the right, that's your water temperature level. At the middle, obviously that's normal. If it goes too high or too low is okay, but too high, you might have to check your coolant or anything like that. Or before you go actually reach that, the vehicle will give you a warning. Don't worry about that. On the top, that's normal, which is your driving mode. If you do other different selections, it's going to show differently, but each time when you start the vehicle, it's always standard on normal. On the left, that's your fuel tank, petrol tank basically, and that indicator on the left means your petrol tank is actually on the passenger side, and this goes up and down. When it drops to below maybe a quarter, something like that, it's going to give you a warning just as normal. Underneath, you permanently display your parking, which is your gear selector, and then on the left, that's your range. The top one is your sort of a current range, the bottom one is your odometer basically, and then you get 21 degrees, the outside temperature and time, that's per normal. That's the round circle is your traffic information, your speed sign information. In the middle, that's obviously digital speedo. Then in this particular screen, you can go up and down. So if we go down, you'll notice these small bars on the right that allows you to show how many menus you have right now. So the current journey, because I've been idling this car for quite a long time, taking other videos at the same time, the fuel consumption is very high, obviously. So 2 kilometers per hour on the so the current journey on the average speed, the running time and average consumption. If you do want to reset the current journey to calculate your daily trips, stuff like that, you can press and hold OK. Press and hold OK. That's going to be reset to 0, just like that. And if you go down, this is going to be accumulated total, which is this particular accumulated range over here. Again, this car has been sitting in traffic or being test drive, all the things. The fuel consumption is not superb, but yeah, that's just that. You can again long press and hold OK if you wish to. Next one, once you press down, we have the 12-volt battery warning. So the 12-volt battery warning will show you how your 12-volt battery is right now. If it's somewhere around the middle, it is okay. If it does drop below, then I think 10 or 11, something like that, that might be a concern. That means it's recommended to start your vehicle, to at least drive the vehicle daily, or at least use the charger to charge the vehicle. But if the 12-volt battery is too low, it's going to give you a warning on the dashboard. It says 12-volt battery is too low, start the vehicle, something like that, before your vehicle actually goes to completely empty. So that's the 12-volt battery warning. It is very helpful for my standard. Next one, we have the tire pressure monitoring system. So you do have 4 tire pressure sensors on each of the tires, and then obviously it will display the bars and everything temperature on the right, on the left. This temperature can fluctuate. That means the bar can fluctuate as well. To find a recommended tire pressure, you just basically open the driver door and you find information down the right, just on this panel. For New Zealand market, that's pretty standard basically. Because it's only showing bars, it's very easy to convert to PSI or kPa. If you wish to do that, just use your phone and Google it, 2.1 bar to something. And if one of the tire pressure is too low, your vehicle will give you a warning with tire pressure warning, or if it's one of the tires is totally punctured, it's going to give you a warning as well, just like that. Then click down to the bottom, then you get the range to empty. It's about 660 kilometers to go because we have nearly full tank, but these again will fluctuate based on your driving. And then at the bottom you have a fuel consumption, some liters per hour. That actually depends on how you use the vehicle, then somehow it's using that. It's very uncommon to see this indication, but it is there from MG. Next one, we'll go back to the digital speedo. So go up or down, go down or up, whichever you like. These will shuffle, which will go through a certain circle basically. Next one, click right, we have a adaptive cruise control information. So if you use the cruise control lever and tap it on, you'll be able to notice the cruise control will be on. If your land departure warning is on, this gray line will change to white, and this light will go green. If you ever switch everything on, you can twist it forward and backwards to change your distance, all that things. So this is your safety information screen. Click next. We have the setting menu. So the setting menu allows you to set, first one is your brightness. English is not my first language. I will be no way to pronounce that particular word, but easy way to understand, brightness level. Click OK and go up or down to change your brightness, and click OK to confirm. This is pretty easy. Next one, you get over speed threshold. So that means you can set your speed limiter warning. If you at the moment you can say it's 110, that means if my driving speed is over 110, the vehicle will give you a pop-up notification and a warning on the dashboard to tell you you're over whatever the speed limit alert you have set. If you do want to change that, click OK and go up or down to adjust that whenever you like, and click OK to confirm. So that's quite handy. If you do not wish to have any sort of over speed threshold, all you need to do, just click OK and go all the way to the bottom. And I think after 5, we're going to get off sign. That means after 30, we'll get off sign actually. Just click off, so no over speed threshold anymore, just like that. And next, we have the next service. So this is your service distance, all that things. If you do want to reset, you can push and hold OK to reset. If you do not wish to reset, just press OK, single tap to go back to the service reminder. That means the vehicle will give you a warning if your service is due by kilometers. It's not going to give you a warning if your service is due by time, just like that. Next part, we have the warning sign. At the moment, everything about this vehicle is healthy, so there's no warning information. But if one of the doors left open, and we're going to click OK. There we go. The warning sign will show driver door open, something like that. Or other warnings if your tire pressure is low, or your battery is low, or your what do you call it? The fuel is low. It's going to give you a warning over here. That allows you to have a small triangle on the top to say there are some warning about the vehicle. It doesn't necessarily mean the car will break down. It just gives you warning information. So yeah, that's the quick video about how the screen looks like and how to control these things, what everything means and all those things. Hope this is helpful, and again, make sure you subscribe and like if you enjoyed the channel, enjoyed the video, and we will see you next video. Thank you very much.